Okay, so before you can talk about energy balance and the gaining or losing of weight, you need to first understand what calories are. And to do that, you need to think, what is a calorie? So a calorie isn't a thing, it's a measurement of energy. So when you're talking about food, you're actually talking about the amount of energy you're consuming into the body. Funnily enough, a calorie is actually the measurement of how much energy it takes to heat up a certain amount of water by a single degree. But that's not really necessary to know. What you need to know is energy in food is measured between joules or kilojoules, and calories. We'll use the calorie because it's much more user friendly. And an average man will probably need 2,500 calories per day, whereas an average woman will need 2,000 calories. These will obviously depend on certain factors like age, exercise levels, and size. So yeah, calories broken down. When you're talking about calories, we're talking about the net energy you're consuming through macronutrients. And when we talk about macronutrients, we're talking about three primary building blocks. You've got fat, protein, carbohydrates. Okay? So these make up the bulk of all the foods you eat and form the total calories of the food for the day. Over here you've also got alcohol, which isn't a great one, but also has an energy content. So whilst you have these three things, the fats, the proteins, and the carbs, you can't make use of these without the micros. So you've got micros and the macros. Micros are the transporters and help break down the macronutrients. The macronutrients are the building blocks of the body. So when we're talking about energy density, it's worth noticing that every one of our macros have a different energy content. So protein and carbohydrates both have 4 calories per gram. Fat is over double at 9, and alcohol is at 7. Okay.